Have you ever wondered what truly happens inside our brains when memories start to fade or familiar tasks become challenging? It is a question many of us ponder, especially when faced with changes in ourselves or our loved ones. The primary cause of Alzheimer's disease is still not fully understood, but scientists agree it involves a complex process of brain changes that begin years before symptoms appear. These changes ultimately lead to the widespread loss of brain cells and connections, causing memory loss and other cognitive difficulties. At the core of Alzheimer's are two abnormal protein structures, amyloid plaques and tau tangles. Amyloid plaques are clumps of a protein fragment called beta amyloid that build up between nerve cells, disrupting their communication. Tau tangles are twisted fibers of another protein called tau that accumulate inside brain cells, interfering with their internal transport system. Together, these plaques and tangles damage and kill brain cells, particularly in areas vital for memory, learning, and thought. While we do not have a single, definitive cause, we understand several significant risk factors. The greatest known risk factor is increasing age, with most cases appearing after age 65. Genetics also play a role, particularly the APOE for gene variant, which increases a person's risk, though not everyone with this gene develops the disease. Additionally, a history of head trauma, cardiovascular disease, and lifestyle factors like lack of exercise and poor diet may contribute to the risk. Knowing this information allows us to focus on supporting overall brain health and being proactive. If you notice persistent changes in memory, thinking, or behavior, it is always a good idea to discuss them with a doctor. They can help evaluate the symptoms and determine appropriate next steps, which could include ruling out other treatable conditions or exploring potential diagnostic avenues for Alzheimer's. Early onset Alzheimer's, which affects individuals under age 65, is far less common, often representing less than 10% of all cases, and is more frequently linked to specific genetic mutations. Researchers are making incredible strides in understanding the disease, exploring new treatments that target these plaques and tangles, and uncovering more about the brain's resilience. Staying informed about brain health and having open conversations with healthcare professionals are key steps in navigating this journey.